Okay, let's continue this shed, and we created this roof member. Let me, yeah. We create this roof member, and we want to locate this roof member somewhere in the middle. So let's try to draw first a temporary line. So we're going to do a line from this corner on top of the roof to this other corner on top of the roof. There you go. And then we're going to copy this. Okay, we're going to copy this. And it must be at the same level. So it's probably better, less chance of a mistake if we can draw a line starting from this point here. So we're going to draw a line, and we're going to click here, and then we're going to go up on the blue axis, hold down your shift, and then point here. There you go. And then follow that green, follow this green axis, and then hold your shift key again and point to this dot here. Okay, and so that one is exactly the same length as this other line below, so we can actually just delete this, the line below, and then delete this also. Okay, just less chance of making mistake, because what we're going to do is we're going to select this gray roof member. We're going to use the move. We're going to press control or command or something to make a copy. Okay, yeah, there you go, copy. And then we're going to zoom closer so we can click the midpoint. So make sure it says midpoint. Okay, click that. And remember, you're making a copy. Okay, and we're going to select the midpoint of the line we just created. So we're going to just midpoint again. So now we have two copies, one on the very edge, one on the midpoint of this line that we created. So if your line was wrong and it's longer than what it's supposed to be, then you won't be able to put that exactly in the middle. Okay, so now over here we zoom on this place, and double click this. You actually have a collision here. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw a line here to cut this gray roof member. So we're going to draw a line. We're going to select from this point here. Okay, you may need to zoom closer, because you want to select on the intersection there. You must see that word intersection before you click. So click on that one, and then zoom out. And then drag here, and again click on intersection. Okay, you must see that word intersection. Click that, and then go down and click again on the intersection. So you might need to zoom in again, and then click on the intersection again. Click that. There you go. So that's all we need to do. Zoom out now, and then what we're going to do is we are going to remove that portion there, but we can't see it. Okay, we can't see it. So I'm gonna right click and close the group. I'm gonna just click save first, so I don't lose any work. And I don't see it because it's inside this portion of the wood. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to select this gray portion here, and I'm going to click this, and I'm going to click anywhere in the surface, drag up on the blue axis, right? Drag up on the blue, and type in, let's say, 6. So remember that we are moving it up 6 inches because we're going to return it back 6 inches later. Okay, so 6, press enter, it's 6 inches up. So now we're going to double click again the gray member, and we're going to use our push pull, and then we are going to push it, hold it down until you click on the edge back here, and then release. Now it's cut. Okay, so right click, close group. Now it's cut. It's now, the wood is cut, and in real life they do cut that wood so that it doesn't move left or right on top of this plate. Okay, now we're going to bring it back again 6 inches because we brought it up 6 inches. Now we're going to bring it down 6 inches. We're going to select this, we're going to click our move copy. We're going to click anywhere, and then as long as you are on the blue axis, that's fine. So don't make sure it's on the blue axis, and then type in 6 again, enter. You're moving it downwards this time. 6, enter, and it should go back into place. Zoom out and inspect that it's still in the middle. Yeah, it looks like it's still in the middle here. Okay, and that's what you're going to do. And then locate this, cut it, and then save your work. And we're going to continue on our next video.